The EFF calls on all South Africans to resist the urge to succumb to juvenile and politically motivated insinuations drawn from the work of the Commission, which are not rooted in any evidence or fact. Despite all attempts to cast doubt over the organization and its leadership, there has been no evidence that ties the EFF to any wrongdoing, and this is a fact we remain proud of. We encourage the Commission and its evidence leaders to rely on evidence and drawn from verifiable and credible processes of the law and legal institutions. Tabloid journalism and speculations by media outlets who have proven vendettas do not constitute evidence, and the use of news articles as evidence by such credible commission only serves to undermine the credibility of the process and turn the Commission itself into a weapon of propaganda.